My docking station, which I ordered via Amazon US, which is shipped via buy and ship, already arrived.
My workspace, and at the same time my fangirling space, looks better. I'm loving it so much. Let's unbox! Sorry, my hot dog baby wanna watch me unbox as well. If you check my previous video, I shared to you how I ordered it in Amazon US. Go check it out after this so you can now shop from everywhere and use buy and ship to have it delivered here in PH. So when I ordered this, I used the buy and ship Portland, US warehouse. I am so always satisfied how smooth and reliable buy and ship handles shipping my items. Look how I am so happy and so excited. The package was so secured and no dents. This is the exciting part where you will be able to see and hold on your item, at last. I've been longing to buy this, but I cannot see this available here in PH. I am so glad that I was able to know buy and ship that will help me manage all my purchases abroad without hassle. Thank you so much, buy and ship. So let's talk about the item. This is Baseus Docking Station. I tried to estimate the size using my palm and it's near to size of my hand. I am so in love with this item because it has indicator of which port is active and lock button screen at the top. So this one is the power delivery, then USB mouse, then these two are my monitors. Let's continue unboxing. I will show you what are the ports in the back. So you can see we have HDMI 1, then the DP for monitors. Then another set of HDMI and DP. The power delivery input, USB ports, internet or LAN connections, then the audio. This one is the easy screen lock button. At the front there is also USB ports and Type-C, then the indicator screen, my favorite. There's also a magnetic holder or stand on the bottom to keep it in place. So beautiful. There's also a manual inside. I really recommend buy and ship as your shipping partner for your orders abroad. So what are you waiting for? Download buy and ship from Google Play Store or Apple Store and sign up. When you sign up, please use my referral code BNS UNIS so you can get 400 shipping credit. From this small table space setup to this. That's all for now. Like and follow me for more. Thank you for watching.